Okay, so today we're going to talk about converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. In this case, we have a mixed number and we want to make it into an improper fraction. And later on, we'll learn about why that would be helpful. So in this case, we have 5 wholes and then we have 3/4. Now here's my 5 wholes. Each of these wholes is divided into how many equal pieces? Well, hopefully you said 4 equal pieces because you looked at the denominator. So I'm going to do that real quickly. Okay, and then we have 3 out of 4 that we also have. So I'm going to color this in really quickly. 5 wholes. And then 3 extra pieces. So you can see that's 5 wholes and then 3 out of 4 equal pieces. So the mathematical way to do that, because you don't want to draw it out always, the mathematical way to do that is to say, well, I'm going to take 4 wholes and multiply them by 5 because I have 5 wholes that have 4 pieces in them. 4 times 5 equals 20, of course, right? So we take the denominator and we multiply it by the whole number. But then we have these extras, so instead of multiplying that, we just simply add those extras. And we get 23. And what do we do with that 23? Well, that's our new numerator. 23, now, it's still divided into 4 equal pieces, so 23/4. And you can see that if I counted each one of these fourths, that's colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23/4. Now go ahead and pause the video and try this one on your own. Okay, hopefully you've had a chance to do that, and now you see that you take the denominator and you multiply it by the numerator. 3 times 2 is 6. Add that extra 1. And you get 7/7. That's your improper fraction. Sometimes you want to take an improper fraction and you want to make it into a mixed number. In this case, we have an improper fraction and we want to see what it would be like as a mixed number. There's a reason you do this, and we'll talk about that more later. Well, in this case, fraction is just a division. Really what we're saying is this is 20 divided into 9 equal pieces. So when we're dividing, we put our numerator in the house. A lot of people will say, oh, it's because it's the largest number and that's why it goes in the house. No, it goes in the house because it's the numerator. Then we put the 9 here. 9 goes into 20 how many times? 2. 2 times 9 is 18. And we have 2 left over. That becomes our numerator, and we still keep the denominator the same, which is 9. Let's look at what that looks like in pictures. We need to divide things into 9 equal pieces. And once we get 9 equal pieces, that hole is full. We've made a hole. So in this case, I'm going to do, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going to draw 9. So we got 9 equal pieces. Same thing here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 pieces, terrible drawing, I know. But we needed to color in 20 pieces, so we're going to have to create another hole. Now it's still broken into the same 9 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes. But we're only going to color in 20 of them. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, which is 2 holes and 2 out of 9. So now you've seen in pictures. We put the 20, the numerator, in the house and divide it. Whatever's left over becomes our numerator, and our denominator stays the same. Now it's your turn to try. You can pause the video, give it a try with this one. 13 halves. Okay, so hopefully you've had a chance to do that. Remember, it's division. Really, it's saying 13 divided into 2 into halves. So we put 13 in the house, the 2 on the outside. How many times does 2 go into 13? 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We're left over the 1, which is 6 and 1 half. So I hope this was helpful. Now you have some practice problems to try.